This is the orphan right here. He thought he was a dog for a while. There's actually a birth happening right now. Did you guys see that?
Oh, whoa, holy cow.
I cannot believe this is happening right now. This is crazy. See the dark look in this? This is a stress birth. Let her sit. Let her sit.
Good girl.
Yes,
Amazing.
Oh no. Come on. There we go.
There you go. There's your baby.
Oh, that was close.